elastic or drawstring. For this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add on elastic to the top of your shorts or to the top of your skirt, as well as a drawstring. So here I use the drawstring, and I'm going to show you the second method, which is using spandex at the top of your waistband. So I've measured a piece of elastic that stretches wide enough to go around my hip, but that's also tight enough to go over my waist. So now what I'm gonna do is tie it like a regular knot and do it twice so that it's secure. There we go. So I tied it, it's tight, it's secure. And now I'm going to basically use single crochets to attach it to the top of these shorts. So you want to go ahead and create a slip knot, and I'm using a 4mm hook for this. So I'm going to start off from this side. Okay, so you want to grab your hook, insert it into the waistband. Elastic around the hook. You want to attach your yarn, your slip knot, and you're just going to do single crochets and making sure that this part is secure. Okay, so you're going to single crochet around this part too, so that we can cut it and it will still be secured. Just make sure to fasten off your ends, and that completes the shorts with the spandex. So you don't need a drawstring and you don't end up with a baggy waist. So you want to locate the middle of your skirt. So this will be the middle for me. And place the needle, plastic needle, which I got from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to place that into here. So I'm at the top of the waistband here, and go underneath just like that. And I'm gonna go back through here and then underneath just like that. So once you get it all the way around, that's it. You can tighten it